Hello civil engineers, I welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने आपको एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया, आपने आपके फ्रेंड को सबलेट कर दिया, आपके फ्रेंड ने वही कॉन्ट्रैक्ट किसी और को ऑफलोड कर दिया, और यदि ऐसी सिचुएशन होगी सो व्हाट विल बी द कंडीशन ऑफ दैट ओरिजिनल वर्क. दिस इज नथिंग बट दिस इज कॉल्ड सबलेटिंग ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम लोग इसी के ऊपर डिटेल में चर्चा करेंगे. Subletting of contract is prohibited by government under class 21 of section 3 of conditions of contract. Why? See, if suppose I am the as a client, I have given a work to a agency, say for example B, I am the A. A has given a contract to B, and suppose B, as it is back to back, sublet this work to another agency C, and C sublet this work to another agency D by keeping his profit margin. So what will be the situation? See, A ने जब B को काम दिया तो B must be having some profit margin, say about 15%, 20%. When B is subletting to C, he will also keep his profit margin 8%, 10%, whatever. C is giving work to D. This is, I am exaggerating the matter, but it happens in our construction industry. Normally this PSUs and Government of India enterprises, some companies, they have got this tendency, total back-to-back subletting of the work, and they become the middleman just to coordinate with the client as well as with the another agency. And another agency, what it does, trade-wise they sublet the further works. So this is not a correct practice, and this should not be encouraged at all. ऐसे केस में यदि होता है, आपको पता लगता है, तो you must take action and terminate that contract. So this subletting is not at all good. I mean, this factor, subletting of contract, is very common in all fields of our construction, civil engineering, mechanical का contract ले लीजिए, आप electrical ले लीजिए, आप IT industry में जाइए, कहीं भी जाइए, this type of things are going on. Subletting is possible only with the approval of client for specific nature of items. Say for example, if we talk for civil engineering, certain items are there which has got a specialized nature of work, like that say for example waterproofing items, or some patented items which a particular agency only has to be engaged by the contractor. So those things he can sublet specific items with the prior approval of the client. No question of giving the work without approval. So this type of subletting only should be allowed. Total subletting of work is not at all, should not be encouraged, not at all required. So this is all about the subletting of contract. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग दोस्तों बात करेंगे बिल्स और मेजरमेंट्स के बारे में, हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड द मेजरमेंट्स, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर बिल. मिलते हैं दोस्तों नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थैंक यू.